Hello, my name is Benton, and I'm going to tell you about one of the most important networking utilities, IPCONFIG. According to Microsoft, the command IPCONFIG displays all current TCP/IP network configuration values and refreshes DHCP, or Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, and DNS, or Domain Name System, settings. Used without parameters, IPCONFIG displays the IP address, the subnet mask, and the default gateway for all adapters. IPCONFIG is short for Internet Protocol Configuration, and it's the command you want to run if you want to see your basic and most important network configuration settings. Here's how to run IPCONFIG. You're going to run a command, so if you type Command R and then CMD, it'll bring up a command line. And if you type IPCONFIG and enter, it'll give you all of your information. The main four things you're going to be looking for are going to be your IP address, one, which you'll see here under IPv4. Here is 192.168.1.147. Your subnet mask, which is 255.255.255.0, and your default gateway, which is 192.168.1.1. Now your IP address is going to be the address for this machine on this local network. Your subnet mask is going to indicate how many machines you can have on this network, and your default gateway is your gateway to the internet. So in my case, and probably in your case as well, is going to be your router. Now you're going to get additional information. At the top you're going to see up here IPv6 address. We're slowly transitioning to IP version 6, and that's going to be your IPv6 address in hexadecimal. And as I said before, it gives you the information for all adapters. So you're going to see additional adapters down here. These are for virtual adapters that I've got for virtual machines on this machine, but that's not the information that we're after. We're after the information for our network adapter, so our wireless LAN adapter for the local area connection. Now, if you want to get additional information, you're going to run the command with a parameter. So you'll type IPCONFIG space /ALL and press enter. Now this is the all parameter, so this is basically going to give you all of your network information. You'll see it scrolls down and gives you a lot more. It's going to start with your host name, which in this case is PC1. This is the name of this computer on the network. So as you saw in our ping video, you can ping based on an IP address, or you can ping based on a host name. So you could ping based on the 192.168.1.147, or just type ping PC1 and it should get you the same result. It's going to give you some of the physical characteristics of your network adapter. In this case, it's going to show you the brand and the physical address, or what they also call the MAC address or the burned in address. It's going to show you some configuration information. You can see here that DHCP is enabled. DHCP is the protocol that has the DHCP server give this computer an IP address when it logs onto the network. The address of the DHCP server is down here. It's 192.168.1.1. So you'll see that's the same as the default gateway. So the router is serving as both the default gateway and the DHCP server. Below that, you're going to see the DNS server. Here it's 8.8.8.8, which is a Google DNS server, and it's also going to give you the alternate DNS server, which is 8.8.4.4. And a DNS server takes a URL, translates that into an IP address. So that's a basic primer on IPCONFIG and its most useful parameter, IPCONFIG /all. Used with ping and some other network utilities that we'll be learning about in future videos, you'll have all the tools you need to start doing your own network troubleshooting. Thank you.